In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a manual using Microsoft Word in a short, quick, and simple way with an easy design that still looks clean and professional. Whether you're making instructions for work, school, or a small project at home, a well-organized manual helps readers understand your message clearly. Start by opening a blank document so you have a clean space to work with. Before typing anything, think about the structure of your manual. Most manuals are easier to follow when they are divided into sections, like an introduction, step-by-step instructions, tips, and a short conclusion. Type your title at the top, then increase the font size so it stands out. A clear title immediately tells the reader what the manual is about. Next, create section headings to organize your content. Highlight each heading and apply a heading style from the Home tab. This keeps your layout consistent and makes your manual look polished. It also allows you to build a table of contents later if you need one. Under each heading, type your instructions in short, simple sentences so they are easy to understand. To make the design look neat, adjust spacing between paragraphs. Select your text, open the line and paragraph spacing menu, and choose a comfortable spacing that keeps everything readable without wasting space. You can also align important sections to the center or left depending on your layout preference. If you want to add visuals, insert images to support your instructions. Go to the Insert tab, choose Pictures, and place them near the related steps. Resize them so they fit well on the page and don't crowd your text. A simple image can make your manual much easier to follow. Before finishing, review your document for spelling, alignment, and consistency. Check that headings match, spacing looks even, and instructions flow in a logical order. Save your file, then print or share it as a PDF so others can easily read it. Creating a manual in Microsoft Word doesn't have to be complicated. With a clear structure, simple formatting, and careful review, you can produce a guide that looks professional and easy to understand. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.